Hi, welcome back to 108 Contemporaries Embroidery Kit Series. In this video, I will show you how to make the stem stitch right here. Come from the back of your fabric and push through. Move about 1/4 down your line, 1/4 inch. And then come up another 1/4 inch away from that stitch. And then instead of going here or in here like the other stitches, you're kind of going to push it and go underneath the middle of that previous stitch. And it starts kind of making it look twisted. So then you're going to go another 1/4 inch and kind of move that so you can get underneath there. And continue along like that. And there you have it. The stem stitch gives it a little bit more dimension than the back stitch.